Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn the use of union and union all operator in SQL Server. So the first is union operator is used to combine a result set of two or more select statements. So here is the 3 points which need to be considered while using union. So every select statement union must have the same number of columns. The columns must also have similar data type, and the last one is the column in every select statement must also be same in order. So here is the syntax: select column names from table 1, union, select column names from table 2. Let's see what is union all. So union all has a syntax is the union all operator selects only distinct value by default. So to allow the duplicate values, then we need to use union all. Here is the syntax: select column names from table 1, union all, select column names from table 2. So there is no other difference between union and union all. We just need to put here union or union all. Let's quickly see in SQL Server how we can do it. Let's open SQL Server, select the database, click on new query. We have created multiple tables during this SQL Server tutorial. Just drag and drop two tables here. One is customers, another is employee. Let's quickly select star from customers and then the employee table. Just execute it first. We just wanted to see how many columns we have, what are the columns in the employee table and customer table. Now we can apply union. So just need to mention the column name on which we want to do that. Customer, let's say here I want to do with the customer, and in the employee table we have first name. We can see here this is first name, and on top in the customer table we have the customer name. Just execute it and see what is happening here. We can see that 11 rows are there, and we can see that Mohan is coming one time, Rakesh is coming, so all are coming distinct record. So now we just change it and see what will be the difference if we use union in the same query. Let's execute it, and we can see that here we can see 14 rows. Earlier it was 11. Let's see what are the duplicate records, as union all will have duplicate records. So here we can see that Mohan is coming 2 times, and then Rakesh is also coming 2 times. So we can see that this is the difference between union and union all. So let's see if we specify some other column here and want to see the data. Let's remove all and then first see the union, and before applying this query we just wanted to see the column name. Here we have the city. Specify the first name and city, and the data type and the order of the column name is also required. So just execute it and then see the result is coming with the customer name and city. So if we specify all here, so that means it will fetch the duplicate record. So we have 14 records. If just execute it first and then see the 14 records again, because here we can see that duplicate records Mohan was there earlier. So now it is Mohan is belonging to Redmond and one is belonging to New Delhi. Rakesh is belonging to Noida, and Rakesh another one is belonging to Redmond. So that's why there is no difference in the record of union and union all. Let's put something here. Let's put the different ID here. Let's put just mention here the star and then see how many columns here. You can see that all columns. Let's put customer ID instead of. So now the difference is, and remove all here. We can see that we are just violating the rule of union. Here we specify the customer, the data type is varchar. Here we have the varchar, but here is integer, and this one is the varchar. Let's see what will happen if we execute this query. Execute it. Now we can see that the conversion failed when converting the varchar value Redmond to data type int. So that means here we are, as we are violating the rule, that means the data must be same whatever we are using in the second, the table 1 and table 2. Let's quickly change it here and put some ID here. Let's say employee ID, and then try to execute it. We can see that it is executed successfully, and we can see the result set here. So this is how we can use union and union all. And this is one of the interesting interview question. What is the difference between union and union all? So here is the difference and how we can do the practical. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.